friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful all-in-one gaming PC. So friend, Colorful is launching G-One Plus AIO PC, which is equipped with Intel Alder Lake and NVIDIA Ampere graphics, and this probably wouldn't be that interesting if not for the fact that the GPU is actually quite powerful for this type of device. And friend, it is equipped with Core i7-12700H processor, which is part of Alder Lake-H 45-watt high-end mobile CPUs, and this SKU has 14 cores in total and can often be found in upper mid-range gaming laptop. And friend, the graphics are GeForce RTX 3060, most likely a mobile variant as well, and the graphics card is actually quite powerful variant with 2GB at 140 watts, so the highest available Max-P SKU. And friend, this AIO PC has a 31.5-inch screen with very narrow bezel. It is not a curved display and there is no way to mount this PC on a wall. And speaking of the screen, the Colorful claims its 165Hz panel, and friend, it have completely shifted their attention to regular AIO system. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.